Hello everybody, I got 3 remotes here and a dog. Hello. Okay, here's the remote, the Vizio remote. This one here is the OEM, the original that came with the TV. This one is a replacement from eBay, and this is from Timo. So from my experience, this is more responsive than this one, and this is the most responsive one because the OEM. This is I don't know who made this one. I don't think this is a actual Vizio remote. I mean, it runs the TV fine, but it's completely different design. Anyway, the back is different. These two have the same back plate. This thing comes up if you drop it. As you can see, I taped this one because I dropped it so many times already. And the front plate, this part here, it came up, so I have no choice but to tape it now. This one looks similar. Design is similar. This one's different. See the battery compartment? It's different. It's easier to change than this one. And for the TV remote, the direct buttons, I don't know what you call it, is identical. Same one here. Just that this part, the buttons are different. Here is the same. Even the pick part here is the same. Here is the same. This two, the volume, but the rest is a little bit different. Info here, the infos here. It's a nice big watch free button here. It's easier than this one, easier to see. And I like this wheel better than this one. So I've been using this one than this one. And for the AV one, it's different. So here, these two are the same. The Voodoo, Zumo, Netflix, Amazon, iHeart, but the middle part, this one says Hulu, and this one says Crackle. And so same buttons, same here, same button here, same type of wheel, same. Except this one that's in the watch free is on the bottom here, and the pick is right here. The cease is here, back buttons here, mutes here. So not much difference between the buttons. Home's here, and this is home, but they put the V side here. So everything's almost identical except for a few buttons. So just want to share with you the difference. This one was $4.99 on eBay, free shipping. This one was $3.99 on Timo, free shipping. So I would go with this one because this was free shipping, and it was $1 cheaper. But you could use this one too. But just that it wasn't as responsive as my TV. My TV is a Vizio Quantum M. So maybe it's not really for my TV. I don't know. But since this one has similar buttons, I guess it works better. I don't know. But it works. That's all that matters. It works. Anyway, so if you need a replacement remote, I would go this one first. And if you can have this one, if you don't have access to this one, then you can do this one. Alright, so these are the replacement remote for a Vizio TV. If I hope this helped, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.